What's up, dude? What's up, guys, ladies and gentlemen?
What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we've met up with Efren. We're actually still waiting for Ramon to show up. We are kind of just going to be vlogging it for the day, see what we kind of get going. We are hanging out right now at some citrus farm type farmer's market. It is very bright, and we're going to meet up here because this is a cool spot right up the street from Efren's house. And then we're going to go to some cool, super awesome JDM market and go get some food and hit the pavilions. If you guys are Arizona locals, you know what that is. If you're not, it is like the longest running car meet show thing in Arizona. It ran for like what, 15, 20 years?
Something like that.
Yeah, up until COVID, and then it was sponsored by all the businesses around it, like McDonald's and something, I don't know, Home Depot or whatever, but it shut down for like a year, so that's kind of a bummer. But yeah, so we're gonna hang out, we're gonna vlog it, we're gonna have a good time, and hopefully you guys stick around and enjoy the video. This dude really brought the Civic and not the NSX. Why didn't you bring the NSX?
Football setup.
What?
Football setup.
You really watched it? You couldn't just do that in the NSX?
I could have, but it was blocked in. So
You're trash. I'm watching football.
Figures.
Freaking nerd.
So Carl says he's on his way, but he's late.
Here?
No, I think we'll probably just meet him over there.
Oh, at the market?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you see me give Ramon the chopped after we pulled onto the on-ramp? Yeah. I thought he was going to try and do a pull, so had to make sure he knew. Yeah. All right, well, we have arrived at the Japanese food market place. They got a lot of Japanese snacks and drinks and all that stuff. It's really cool, but we're waiting for Carl, which is our other S2000 buddy, to show up. And Ramon's pulling in now because he got caught up at the light. They paddle?
I think it's too cool to park in reverse.
Yeah. He's a weenie.
Like Ramon's butt cheeks.
What? Dusty like Ramon's butt cheeks?
Oh shit. Don't expose me. No. Don't look inside.
Oh, it's your dirty interior?
Yeah. I only got a chance to vacuum it, so.
Dirty like Ramon's cheeks?
Yeah. Maybe not that dirty.
I really want those depot taillights now.
That or else you buy the $500 HK single, then get headers.
And then that just sings.
Like Ramen's mom.
Just like that.
I bought a sweater today, I'm fucking hot.
It's that happy in between where you just don't know if you're hot or cold.
Yeah, it's hot. I don't know it's gonna be so hot.
Come on, Carl, after all that talk, bro.
Or I should put it on.
He ain't about the life.
He ain't about it. Like baby blue to like silver. It's like.
Alright, goes from like piece of shit quality to oh yeah, and there's some cool things.
Ooh, that's a good photo. Look at that.
With a hollow too. I like the
Ain't it focus?
with the nice like phone mount
Oh, it's good though.
Yeah.
Hooked up.
Bueno.
Yeah.
Right there.
Is it?
Yeah, pretty good. I'm just gonna eat some. This looks good. It's like, I don't know, but that looks good. And then these are always good, and then some crackers. You know?
Snacks for the drive.
Yeah, basically.
Okay.
Hey, there you go. Give me stack, bro. It's getting a little bit more serious.
Yeah, I just spent like 25 bucks on snacks.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna be called. What'd you buy all that? You're an idiot. Yeah, it's super JDM.
Don't share, dude.
It's JDM. Yeah,
Oh,
you're
Right.
JDM was a good. Oh, you fake chicharron?
What about it?
That's what it tastes like.
Oh, like a what?
Chicharron.
What is that?
It's like pig fat, but like deep fried.
Oh, like those little, like, yeah, the chip thingies.
Yeah, that's what it tastes like. You want to try one? Try one.
I thought I was popping off.
Try one, bro. Try one. Yeah, that's cool.
Shit. I'm like,
Look at it. I don't know.
That's $30.
It doesn't taste bad. I'm just not like a pork rind guy, but these things, I don't know what these are. They're like cracker chip things. It's supposed to be spicy, but I know I've heard in Japan spice is not like the same spice we have out here in the States. These things are good though. It has like a hickory taste to it. Woo. People almost getting in accidents right there. No, these aren't bad. I'm just not a big pork rind guy.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, but it's just. Yeah, I think one's enough. I mean, just to try it.
Yeah,
It's not bad, like
yeah, it's worth trying it for sure.
Now we're all snacked up, ready for the meat.
Yeah. Oh, watch, it's gonna be dead.
Right.
We're sitting in a parking lot 30 minutes away just snacking.
I forgot my goddamn chair too. Dang it.
I did too, actually.
I
used to keep it in the trunk, but
Me too. Oh well.
So I guess we're trying chocolate now. It's like a little fudge square.
How do you like it?
Very sweet.
That's actually really good.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Oh heck
Yeah, it has like a, I'm assuming it's supposed to because of the pink wrapper, but it has like a hint of strawberry.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Well now I'm excited.
Yeah, it's really sweet.
Yeah, that's good though.
You got one more?
Trying to fit in.
It's like a little cube.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Yeah. Muy bueno.
That's such a great idea.
I mean, we are here, but there was no parking, so unfortunately we had to park like way back here in the back, which kind of sucks, but hopefully that means there's some cool cars here. I don't know. But we are loaded up with our little Japanese snacks, so we should be all right.
That looks busting, bro. Look at that.
Oh, the pretzel.
Yeah, it's
whatever.
like the Nutella thing about Japanese.
Bueno.
Oh.
Yeah, I got my strawberry one in my pocket. No.
Can we get a rep in the chat, guys?
Yeah.
Dang it.
Just dropped them everywhere.
It's all right. What's up, dude? How you doing? Pretty good.
So pristine. This one's minty.
That's fake.
You're fake. The real gold. It looks so sick though. So I actually follow this guy on Instagram, and this dude has like the most legit replica ever. Like nitrous bottles, RoboCar body kit, like a legit one, super legit vinyl.
The floorboard too is still metal like in the movie.
Oh yeah, it's got the diamond plated floor panel over there. That's so sick.
Dude, yeah, the details.
Yeah, the old school APR wing, like.
Maximum attack too, you see that? It's like fully adjusted to
Yeah. Like down to the Gretty muffler, or no, Matrix, yeah. I forget which one it is, but I've heard the gas cap's the hardest part to find next to the wheels. I think that's Chad Lindbergh's autograph. This thing is just too neat.
Yeah, I'm doing a Jeep right
Oh, and the molded roof scoop. That's so sick. Useless, but sick. See, that could be you, or that could be us.
I want a Civic, okay?
But that could be us in the future.
Type shit right
Yeah, yeah. That's what I was just saying. That could be us, but
I want to get a Civic with me then. I want a new Civic.
older Datsuns are a bit cooler than modern Civics.
That's what I want.
She's gonna be in there like,
That's the car I want.
That thing didn't even have power steering. Like that lady was struggling.
Just look like idiots in the back of that.
All right, just with the toge,
Yeah.
ultimate toge wagon.
Ultimate tailgate.
Oh dang, snail. That's a turbo Cobra swap Jaguar E-Type. That's wild.
There's a shop on Hill that has.
Oh, really?
Yeah. There's like a big candy shop. And they have a bunch of them.
Is that the one who was talking about it? Who was it? Hentai?
DJ. I don't know about Hentai. Hentai knows more authentic places. Here's Hentai.
This has like a very strong taste to it.
Of what? Mango? Ramon's mom?
How did I know that was going? I was about to say.
He said
I was gonna
I said
throw
your
it in
mom,
there.
but he turned it into his own joke because I silently told him.
Silently told him. We already knew that was gonna be the next thing out of his mouth. So original.
It wasn't me.
Ramon's mom is single, for those of you asking.
Oh my god, you get that camera. So a little left.
This is content, bro. Oh, shit.
My left?
Yeah, your left.
These dudes are trying to put a sticker on, like so precisely.
It'd be like F5.
Quality work right here.
Right there?
Craftsmanship.
Wait,
That's about, yeah.
Craftsmanship.
That's about it. Right there.
so we'll start with the bottom.
Yeah. You put it down and I'll tack it down.
Wait, am I on the rubber or no?
I think you're just above it.
Okay.
Am I good? Oh, shit.
Alone. Hold on.
I think that's
Yeah, you guys are still-
I think that's meant to.
solid.
All right.
Solid?
Yeah. All right.
Just press down hard.
Yeah, then start from the bottom, then roll up.
Hang on.
Hang on. There you go. Yeah.
We're chilling?
Yeah, I think we're good.
Alright, cool. Yeah, we'll just
Massage it.
massage her in there.
Oh, hang on.
NSF. Outside for work.
Wrong. Like I'm going a little bit higher and
I want
higher.
the top, I want the top.
Oh yeah, that's all you do.
You can take the head if you want.
That's all you do. That's all the honors. Yeah, let's go.
Last night's shenanigans were pretty fun. Hopefully you guys enjoyed some of that, just hanging out time. But we're back on the grind. I'm gonna be building a quick cold air intake for this here RSX. This is the one that I did all that suspension work and maintenance stuff on recently. He wanted a different intake because that one, good old hot air K-swap or K-series intake, the one that sit over the transmission. This one we're going to try and make it go underneath this area here and somewhere back there. Haven't quite mapped it out yet. Still taking it apart, but let's get into it. So I've got the coupler kind of bolted in or whatever. I got our first angle going down there. Just had to remove the washer fluid reservoir. The guy mentioned that it probably had to. I was hoping we didn't, but there's definitely no room to keep it, to bring it over here where he wants it. So it is not his daily. He's not too worried about having washer fluid. So what we're gonna do is you can see the pipe right there. We're just gonna shoot it to right here. So I got the filter. I'm just about to kind of like mock up where the filter is sitting. Yada, 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 like that. We're going to set this guy basically right around here-ish, and kind of build the pipe right up to it. Should be pretty simple. Hopefully it fits with everything in the way, you know. a little bit more progress. So I got the 90, you can kind of see it coming down there, the first one, which comes to this joint here. And then I actually just took the other side of this 90 because it was a big 180, and I just clocked at 45 and it kicked it out. You can't see it because I have the liner in the way right now, and I have it balanced right where I want it, but it's kicked out right behind here, basically almost touching the fog light. So all I'm doing now is I just took some cardboard and I'm just making a tab to go to this bolt right here for the battery tray, and then I can pull it out, weld that on, finish welding this up, and then that'll be it. So that'll be really easy. I'm stoked. Well, here is the finished product. So we got our bung right there for the IAT, got it badged, the weld joint, this is our mounting tab, and obviously the filter. So I just finished drilling that hole. I'm gonna go ahead and pull the filter off, rinse this thing out really quick, make sure there's no shavings in it, and install it on the car and wrap this all up. It is all finished up now. Looks good. Well, I mean, you can't see it, but that was kind of the point. And I already checked for wheel clearance, and I did trim the wheel well liner, so just the corner of the pipe coming through the corner is showing, because otherwise it was gonna sit all weird like the liner. So that's trimmed, everything fits perfect. So I'm really stoked. That didn't take long, really, at all. So it took me about 2.5 hours from start to finish. So that's not bad at all. But yeah, I suppose we can wrap this thing up. I'm gonna fire it up, make sure there's no check engine lights or anything, but you guys don't really need to see that, so I will just end this video off here. If you did enjoy the video, please be sure to let me know in the comments down below. Best way to help support the channel is the Patreon, the Big Cartel, buying merch and stuff, and you know, just sharing the video around, leaving comments and likes, because that pushes it through the algorithm, and that's what helps me. Anyways, guys, do what you love, forget about the rest. Thanks for watching and spending some time with me here today. We'll see you in the next one. Peace out.